I am on the daily challenge screen. I will first accept the cookies to clear the UI. Then I will make an initial guess of Inception to establish a baseline for the target medium, year, and rating. Type card is green for Inception movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2010, red arrow down, and has a lower MDB rating than 8.8, yellow arrow down, so between 8.3 and 8.7. Genre action is a match, adventure and sci-fi are not. No actors or directors from Inception overlap. Type card is green for Inception, target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2010 and has a rating between 8.3 and 8.7. It is an action movie but not sci-fi or adventure. Gladiator 2000 fits the action genre, is older than 2010 and has an 8.5 rating. Type card is green for Gladiator movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 2000, red arrow up, but older than 2010 from previous guess. Rating is lower than 8.5, yellow arrow down, so 8.0-8.4. Genres action and drama match, adventure does not. No actors or directors overlap. Type card is green for Gladiator, target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 2000 and older than 2010. It is an action/drama movie with a rating between 8.0 and 8.4. The Dark Knight 2008 is a strong candidate in the action/drama space within that timeframe. Though its rating is high, it helps narrow the year and rating further. Type card is green for The Dark Knight Rises movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2012, red arrow down, and has a lower MDB rating than 8.4, yellow arrow down, so 7.9-8.3. Genres action and drama match, thriller does not. No actors or directors overlap. Type card is green for The Dark Knight Rises, target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2012 and newer than 2000. It is an action/drama movie with a rating between 7.9 and 8.3. 300-2006 fits the action/drama criteria and falls within the year and rating range. Type card is green for 300 movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2007, red arrow down, and has a higher MDB rating than 7.6, red arrow up. Genres action and drama are both green matches. No actors or directors from 300 overlap. Type card is green for 300, target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2007 and has a rating higher than 7.6. It is an action/drama movie. Braveheart 1995 fits the action/drama genres, is older than 2007 and has a high rating 8.3, which aligns with the feedback from previous guesses. Type card is green for Braveheart movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 1995, red arrow up, and has a higher MDB rating than 8.3, red arrow up. Genre drama matches, biography and war do not. No actors or directors overlap. The pixelated poster hint is now visible. Type card is green for Braveheart, target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 1995 and older than 2007 from 300. The rating is exactly 8.3, green check on Braveheart. It is a drama but not action, biography, or war. City of God 2002 is a highly rated drama, 8.6, but I will check if the 8.3 was exact or just green range that fits the year range. Wait, Braveheart rating 8.3 was green, meaning the target is exactly 8.3. City of God is 8.6, so I should look for an 8.3 drama. American Beauty 1999 is 8.3. Type card is green for City Lights movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 1931, red arrow up, and has a lower MDB rating than 8.5, yellow arrow down, so 8.0-8.4. Genre drama is green match, comedy and romance are gray no match. No actors or directors overlap. Type card is green for City Lights, target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 1931 and has a rating between 8.0 and 8.4. It is a drama but not comedy or romance. The Godfather 1972 is a classic drama that fits the year and rating constraints. Though its rating is high, it helps narrow the field. Type card is green for The Godfather movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 1972, red arrow up, and has a lower MDB rating than 9.2, red arrow down. Genre drama is green match, crime is gray no match. No actors or directors overlap. Type card is green for The Godfather, target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 1972 and has a rating lower than 9.2. It is a drama but not crime. The Shawshank Redemption 1994 is a highly rated drama, 9.3, but I will use it to narrow down the year and rating further as it is a pure drama. Wait, if the rating is lower than 9.2, Shawshank is too high, but it helps eliminate years. Actually, Forrest Gump 1994 is 8.8 and a drama. Let's try Forrest Gump. Type card is green for The Shawshank Redemption movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 1994, red arrow up, and has a lower MDB rating than 9.3, red arrow down. Genre drama is green match. No actors or directors overlap. A hint choice modal is now visible. Type card is green for The Shawshank Redemption, target medium equals movie. The target is newer than 1994 and older than 2007 from 300. It is a drama with a rating between 8.0 and 8.4 from Braveheart/Godfather feedback. The Prestige 2006 is a highly rated drama, 8.5, but close that fits the year range. I will first trigger the hint as required by policy. Type card is green for The Prestige movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2006 Yellow Arrow Down and has a lower MBB rating than 8.5 Yellow Arrow Down. Genre drama is green, match, mystery, and sci-fi are gray. The synopsis describes a man kidnapped and imprisoned for 15 years, which is the plot of Old Bay. Type card is green for the prestige, target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2006 and has a rating lower than 8.5. The synopsis visible at guess 9 describes a man kidnapped and imprisoned for 15 years, which is the exact plot of the 2003 film Old Bay. Old Bay 2003 is a drama/action/mystery with an 8.4 rating, failing all previous feedback. Type card is green for the prestige, target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2006 and has a rating lower than 8.5. The synopsis for guess 9 not yet visible in screenshot but expected typically reveals the plot. The feedback from previous turns drama, year 2006, rating 8.5 strongly suggests Old Bay 2003. I will type the title, select the first suggestion, and click guess. Type card is green for the prestige, target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2006 Yellow Arrow Down and has a lower MDB rating than 8.5 Yellow Arrow Down. Genre drama is green. I will search by year 2003 to find Old Bay, which fits the drama genre and the likely rating range. I will click the suggestion and then the guess button. I successfully identified the target movie as Old Bay 2003 in 10 guesses. The key clues were the drama genre and the specific year and rating constraints that narrowed the field down to the early 2000s. The final synopsis hint about a man imprisoned for 15 years made it a clear win.